Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autoplay videos on Canva. If you want to enable autoplay in Canva, then this video is for you. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see this interface. Go to the left side of the interface where you'll see your profile. Go to your profile and then to your account. After that, scroll down and look for the Accessibility section. Click on Accessibility and you'll see many options. If you want to change the theme color, you can select Dark Mode or Shrink System Settings as well. For now, Light Mode is good. You'll also see the Shortcut Required modifier, which you can enable if needed. Captions are available too. After that, you'll see the Autoplay Videos option. So if you just click on Use My System Preference, more options will appear, such as Autoplay Videos on or off. This is the section we need to enable autoplay videos. If you're presenting or working on a social media presentation, this feature will enhance your professionalism. So just enable or disable whichever option you need. That's how you can turn your autoplay videos on or off. For now, I just use my system preferences. You'll also see two more options. You can enable them if you wish. That's the simple way to enable autoplay video on Canva. If you have any questions about this video, please comment below and I'll answer them. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.